In this lesson, we'll explore the basics of artificial intelligence and its applications. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Let's start with a brief introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a broad field that encompasses a range of disciplines, including computer science, mathematics, and engineering. The goal of AI is to create systems that can think and act like humans. Here's an example of a simple neural network, which is a type of AI model. There are several types of AI, including narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and superintelligence. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition or language translation. General AI refers to a hypothetical AI system that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge like a human. Here's an example of a neural network with multiple layers. AI has many applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI can be used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans. AI can also be used to detect fraud, predict stock prices, and optimize investment portfolios. AI has many applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a broad field that encompasses a range of disciplines, including computer science, mathematics, and engineering. AI has many applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. The future of AI is exciting and rapidly evolving, with many potential applications and implications for society.